What's up, y'all boys? Welcome back to the Honda Hood Garage channel. This your boy Scooby. What we're doing today is going to be helicoiling a transmission housing. Helicoil, meaning you're going to cut the hole bigger and then put threads for a helicoil, which is something like this. Cut the hole bigger for this right here. This is a helicoil. Okay? The reason why we're doing that is because I was stupid enough to run my transmission mount bolts down with an impact and I stripped them out. You gotta be careful with the aluminum stuff on the transmissions because the bolts are hardened steel, but aluminum's softer than that. So if you torque it too much, you'll actually rip threads straight out of the transmission. Alright? I'm gonna show you guys the bolt here. See how those threads are full? Those threads are full with aluminum. Yikes, right? So the way to fix that is we're gonna go ahead and cut the hole bigger, put a helicoil in there. We're gonna use half-13 is the bolt size we're gonna use because it still fits through the mount and it's actually a pretty robust bolt. I'm gonna show you guys that bolt real quick. That's the bolt we're going to be using for the transmission housing. I'm going to put some Loctite on there. I'm not going to go crazy on them because it's already helicoil, so I'm not going to push my luck. So if you guys are interested in that, stick around. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, this is going to be step one. We're going to go ahead and drill the transmission housing. If you want to do a helicoil kit, you have to make sure you have the right size drill bit for your helicoil kit. Otherwise it won't work properly. This particular helicoil kit requires a 1732 drill bit, which I had the special order from Amazon. Unfortunately, that's not actually a common size. The bit's right here. Here we go. We got a 1732 drill bit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to start drilling the transmission right now. We'll get some WD-40. Spray it off in the holes. Also, you want to note the depth of the holes with some kind of a caliper gauge of some sort and tape off the bit. That way you don't end up drilling all the way through the damn housing. The idea here is to get to go as straight as possible. So if you can get a second set of eyes, that will be the best. That's one hole drilled and there's fucking shavings everywhere, y'all. Cody said the best way to do it is just clean the housing afterwards, which I haven't actually cleaned it yet, so. Alright, we're gonna drill our second hole here. Alright, gonna drill the third hole here. There, here we go. Got all three holes drilled. There's a squared surface here on the end of the tap, so you just take this, stick it in there, 3/8 drive socket, and it locks in a 3/8 drive socket. Now we have our tapped holes. We're gonna go ahead and clean them out. At me?
Oh.
Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and install the helicoil. Use the tool. Once you get it started, stick it down the middle. There's a little tab. Okay. There's a little tab inside of there that you'll stick this tool through to thread it down into the hole. So once you get it started, stick the tool in there and you just turn it down the side until you get the whole piece in there. It's like that. All the way till it's past the top. Just like that. Actually, I wanted to go down in there a little more. I don't know why it's not going in there any further. And then drill this hole out far enough. There we go. Alright, once you have it in the hole, you turn the tool sideways, aim down at the piece that you just grabbed to thread it in, and pop it off. Just like that. And now you got a nicely helicoiled hole. And go ahead and take your new bolt. And there you have it. It's a helicoiled hole. And it's about as strong as the bolt you had in there before. When it comes to Honda stuff, you know, blocks this works on transmissions. As you can see, a lot of times the mounting bolts for the transmission, they get stripped on the block. You can use a Helicoil kit for that as well. Alright man, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you guys out. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and leave a like at the bottom, leave a comment if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Now they go, thinking they can, and chance to see, things again, and I'm no win.